Hi, so today we will see how to draw charts in Python, and we will just start with a simple chart, a graph basically. We will be using matplot library for this, and so first step will be to import matplot library. And then we can set our axis. For example, we will set the values for x-axis, and that we can give any values at the moment, and for y-axis we can give 2, 4, 1, and then we can call the function from the library to plot the points, and there we need to call the function plot, and we will be passing the parameters of our x and y axis, and we can also put some label to these axes. So we will give the label name here. For example, this is our x-axis, and then we'll set y-axis label y-axis, and then we can also give a title for this, like my Python graph, and in the end we need to call the show function. So these steps have been completed, and now we will execute it. Yeah, so here we can see that our graph has been generated, and it was really simple to just give x and y axis, and then set the label, set the title for the graph, and then show it. Yes, so now we will see how can we draw two lines in the same plot. So we can start with since we already have imported our library, we don't need to import it again. We can start with setting our new points for line 1, and that will be 1, 3, and for line 1 we need to give for y-axis as well, and here are our 2 points, and then we need to call the plot function. There we will be passing our x and y coordinates, and we'll also set the label that this will be our line 1, and then we need to give the second line coordinates y2, 4, 3, and then again we need to call the plot function for line 2, line 2, and then we have to set the labels pmt x label x-axis t dot y label y-axis, and then title for the graph. So we can say like 2 lines on the same graph. Then we need to call the legend function, so it will show you the legend also while drawing the graph, and in the end we need to call the show function. So this is completed. Now we will run it, and yeah, here we can see that we have drawn 2 lines in the same graph. So we will continue this tutorial in the second episode, and we will see how we can draw bar graphs and some other kind of bar charts and some other kind of graphs in the Python library. So keep watching.